Good morning to one and all. My name is Tajinder Singh and today I am here to share my views on the topic Anti-Corruption Day. A long lost dream of many Indians, corruption-free India is something that is in the dream of many Indians. So how do we achieve a corruption-free India? First of all, what is corruption? Corruption is an act of dishonesty and criminal offense conducted by a people or a group of people or by an organization by abusing and taking advantage of their power and position of authority. So corruption is bad at all. Why does it take place? There are many reasons. So the first one is that low salaries of government employees. As the government employees are getting low incomes, they are having low salaries in greed of more money, they do corruption. Second one is that a side income. As you might have listened about a side business, like that there is side income, means to gain more money they do corruption. Next is lack of fear. The persons who are doing corruption do not have any fear, they do not have any fear of punishment, so in lack of fear they do corruption. Last is that the mentality of persons. Our society has the mentality that if everyone takes bribe, so why not me? So they should think that wrong is wrong if everyone is doing that, right is right if everyone is not doing that. So next is, this is corruption. So how to stop the wave of corruption and how to spread the wave of anti-corruption. So the first one is that accountability. A sense of accountability of income should be given by all the workers at all the levels to prevent corruption and to spread the anti-corruption. Vigilance. The anti-corruption officers should be vigilant. Constant monitoring of office premises should be there. Constant monitoring and following of the irregular financial levels of employees should be there, and it should be made in a question. Thank you.